wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best hand creams. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. With over 10 natural oils and shea and cocoa butters, you know you're getting a great treatment with J.R. Watkins Creme pour la main. It can soften up the most chapped or rough-feeling skin, which also makes it great for neglected heels. It's extremely nourishing and made in the USA. However, some find the smell overly strong. At number 9, Burt's Bees Almond and Milk comes with two 2-ounce jars of wholesome goodness that your skin will appreciate. The all-natural formula is free from harmful parabens and phthalates, though it has a nutty almond scent that you either love or hate. It also conditions lips well and contains vitamin E, but it takes a while to absorb. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Made with 20% of its namesake ingredient, Près de Provence shea butter gives your hands the moisture boost needed to get you through winter weather. This premium product comes in beautiful packaging, making it great for gift giving. It's offered in 3 cents and the compact size fits well in a purse. However, it is hard to dispense from the tube. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for hand creams, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, Eucerin Advanced Repair is enriched with alpha-hydroxy acids to exfoliate and speed up cell turnover, making it well suited to hands that are rough, cracked and flaking. It's deeply hydrating and absorbs quickly, but be aware that it can increase sun sensitivity. It gives nails a healthy shine and is helpful for eczema. It is on the heavy side though. Moving up our list to number 6. Camille Beckman Glycerine Therapy is a bestseller thanks to its rich blend of moisturizing ingredients and moderate price. It comes in various sizes and 19 fragrances, from floral to fruity, so you're bound to find one that appeals to your senses. It's produced by a female-owned small business and has a thick and smooth texture. However, it feels a bit sticky. Halfway up our list at number 5. Trust O'Keeffe's Working Hands to relieve dry, cracked skin without you having to spend a lot of money. It not only nourishes your skin extremely well, but provides a protective layer to lock in moisture for the most effective healing results. It's available in value packs and comes with a money-back guarantee. It doesn't contain any animal products. At number 4, if your hands are getting overly dry due to excessive washing, check out Jack Black Industrial Strength. It takes only a pea-sized amount to get the job done and comes in a compact 3-ounce tube for easy portability. It's good for feet and elbows too, and tested by dermatologists. It absorbs quickly without leaving any residue. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, L'Occitane Crème Man is among the finest options, with a rich creamy texture that gives your hands the royal treatment. It's carefully crafted with an exceptional blend of shea butter, coconut oil, honey and almond extracts for immediate relief whenever needed. This is a highly concentrated formula with a light, subtle fragrance and a non-greasy feeling. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for hand creams, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, thanks to its exclusive blend of Dead Sea minerals, you'll instantly know why Ahava Active is a favorite among many. It's great for daily use on all skin types and is infused with a green plum and sandalwood scent that gives off a fresh aroma. It contains no parabens and comes with a convenient flip-top cap. It includes witch hazel to smooth skin. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the medium-weight Aesop Resurrection Aromatique uses a blend of fragrant, oil-free botanicals and softening emollients to hydrate weary skin and cuticles. It leaves behind a citrusy, herbaceous aroma thanks to its mandarin rind, rosemary leaf, and cedar atlas extracts. The scent is suitable for men and women, and a little goes a long way. It spreads on smoothly and evenly. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for hand creams, or simply click beneath this video.